Have you heard the news? NBA athlete Joel Embiid previously diagnosed with torn ligaments in his finger, but he played with injury. Basketball events have a strong impact on the body, whether in training or in competition. The body may suffer from hypoxia, muscle soreness, muscle strain, and other conditions due to intensive exercise. Athletes often use hyperbaric oxygen chamber therapy to further repair their body and speed up recovery. World tennis champion Novak Djokovic, football star David Beckham, Neymar, Cristiano Ronaldo, they all used hyperbaric oxygen chamber. The air pressure and oxygen purity in chamber are higher than the normal atmosphere. Hyperbaric oxygen chamber can aid recovery from sports injury by reducing hypoxia and inflammation, eliminating edema, and promoting collagen synthesis, thereby relieving post-exercise fatigue. Try it now.